Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable secret code in a YouTube Kids profile. As you can see, after the update, now the YouTube Kids become a new a like new layout. It's become a portrait, not a landscape again. So in order to make sure your layout become a new one, please update your YouTube Kids app via Play Store. Here you can search on the Play Store the YouTube Kids app. Now here you can install the updates. If this is your first time install the YouTube Kids, make sure you sign in with your parent account, with your main account. And in order to create a password, like a secret code of your profile, you need to go to the bottom of your screen and choose your kids profile after you create one. And this is, for example, my kids profile. Choose profile who is using the app right now, so you can click or you can tap on edit button here. Now you can pick your picture, change the avatar, for example. And here there is a gear icon in the top corner of your screen. Please tap it. And here we go. You can create or you can enable a secret code in YouTube Kids profile. With a secret code, nobody else can use your profile. And also there's a clear history button. You can delete the list of videos you watched, searches, and recommendations. Go back to the secret code. You can tap to create one. And here you can create your secret code. So this is, for example. And here, remember your secret code. Sorry for the layout. Now you got it. Now here, with a secret code, nobody else can use your profile. And also you can try to remove or change it, but make sure you remember your previous password or your current password. Feel free to try to add secret code in YouTube Kids profile. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click that button below. See you in the next video.